Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the InKind app at restaurants. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently heard the InKind app and you have some rewards and you want to go eat at a restaurant. How do you actually go ahead and use it? So it really depends on what restaurant you're eating at in order to pay the bill. So InKind is used to actually pay the bills at restaurants. So take for example the Saffron the Eatery. If I'm eating at the Saffron Eatery and I want to pay for the bill, I'll click on the Saffron Eatery, I'll click on Pay Bill, I'll enter the amount, I'll enter the tip, I'll select the server name, I'll click on Review Transaction, and then I'll click on Pay 20, or I'll pay the amount on the bottom. So this is one way to actually use the InKind bill to pay for at a restaurant. Now let's take, for example, I'm eating at Anima though. So if I click on the Anima and then I click on Pay Bill, you can see that it now asks me for a check number. That check number is located at the top of your bill. So once you type in that check number, the amount that you need to pay should pop up, and there you have it. So depending on which restaurant you're eating at, it might have slightly different ways to actually pay using the InKind app, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the InKind app at restaurants. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.